Welcome to KM Autos, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, futuristic concepts, and everything happening in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a beast that's returning with brute force, modern muscle, and high-tech finesse. Yes, we're talking about the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado SS. This isn't just a pickup, it's a performance powerhouse that brings back the legendary SS badge with a bold new attitude. Let's be honest, the Silverado has always been a staple of American trucks. Rugged, powerful, and reliable. But the 2026 Silverado SS isn't just built for hauling and towing, it's built to thrill. Chevy is bringing back street performance to the truck world, and they're not holding back. The exterior design screams dominance. Wide fenders, aggressive body lines, a blacked-out front grille with the iconic SS badge, and massive 22-inch sport wheels give it that menacing stance you can't ignore. It's athletic, bold, and unmistakably aggressive. And the LED lighting setup, both front and rear, adds a modern touch of flair. But it's what's under the hood that really gets the heart racing. The Silverado SS is rumored to come with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine derived from the Corvette family. With power numbers exceeding 650 horsepower and torque figures that make rivals nervous, this pickup doesn't just bark, it bites. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 4 seconds, and that's supercar territory for a full-size truck. Mated with a 10-speed automatic transmission and an available all-wheel drive system, the Silverado SS isn't just fast in a straight line, it handles corners with control. Thanks to a revised suspension setup, performance shocks, a lowered stance, and Brembo brakes, Chevy has made sure that the SS badge means business on every surface. Now let's talk about the cabin. Because this is where Chevy has taken things to the next level. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a sport-inspired interior. Bucket-style front seats with contrast stitching, a flat-bottomed steering wheel with paddle shifters, carbon fiber trims, and SS badging throughout. The digital dashboard is fully customizable and flows seamlessly into a massive infotainment touchscreen with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed either. You get heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and all the connectivity options you'd expect from a high-end luxury SUV, except this rides higher and hits harder. Safety hasn't been ignored. The Silverado SS comes loaded with Chevy's latest safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're carving up back roads or navigating tight city streets, the SS is ready for it all. One of the coolest features: a performance HUD that projects real-time driving data like speed, gear selection, and G-force onto the windshield. It's a small detail, but one that truly makes you feel like you're in control of something special. And while the SS is all about performance, it still knows how to work. With a towing capacity over 9,000 pounds and a payload rating that keeps it a proper workhorse, the Silverado SS balances its dual personality better than ever before. Chevrolet also made sure the SS stands out in terms of exclusivity. Expect special edition models, unique color options like jet black metallic, torch red, and arctic white, and optional performance packages that include track-tuned exhaust, launch control, and custom graphics. The SS is more than just a badge. It's a statement, a celebration of performance heritage blended with today's innovation. Chevy fans have been asking for it, and now the brand has delivered. Something that not only meets expectations, but shatters them. Fuel economy. Well, let's be honest, this isn't a truck you buy for saving gas. But thanks to cylinder deactivation and smarter engine management systems, it can cruise fairly efficiently when not pushed to the edge. Still, we're talking about power, speed, and road presence, and the SS delivers in all departments. The 2026 Silverado SS is the muscle truck for a new generation. Built for those who want to dominate highways, impress at car meets, and still have the practicality of a full-size pickup. It doesn't matter if you're coming from a sports car, SUV, or another truck, once you drive the SS, there's no going back. So, if you've been waiting for that perfect blend of American brawn, modern tech, and timeless attitude, your wait might just be over. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new 2026 Silverado SS. Would you pick this over a Ford Raptor or Ram Trax? Or do you think Chevy should have done even more? We love hearing your opinions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to KM Autos, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride like this one. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your dreams speeding forward.